What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video. Today, if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like a video, and comment down below. So here is one of the most awaited reaction video by the Queendom fans. Okay, eto nag-react ako ng tatlong video from Marian and other Queendom na performances prior to this one. Okay? But they all got blocked. Kaya naman napansin nyo, yung full reaction video ko kay Marian Osabel na, and I am telling you, I'm not going. So, in-upload ko siya sa Facebook. No, hindi nyo nakita dito kasi it was blocked 2 times. No, I tried to re-edit it and modify the reaction video, but it was also blocked the second time. And also may dalawa pa no, nakalimutan ko. So that's why I'm hoping na itong reaction video na to ay hindi ma-block. So if it's going to be blocked, then I cannot do anything about it. Okay? So hopefully hindi naman kasi I missed reacting to these divas. Okay, so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and do follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go! Galing ni Rita, man. I was not ready for that. Changing. Woo. Grabe. Ang classy talaga ni Rita kumanta. Like, her tone, it's so elegant. Woo. Come on, sing. Galing nung delivery, no? Galing nung dynamics, eh. What? I love that. Pakinggan nyo mabuti ito. That was so impressive. Isa pa nga. Sorry isa pa. That was very impressive. Galing nung mga notes na dinaanan niya. Eto. I know that it will be eh. Bro, this feels like a grand finals performance. Grabe si Rita. First pa lang to, ang layo pa natin sa siya pa lang, pero napapapos na ako. Ulitin nga natin yun. And by the way, sorry sa parang manok na tugtugao ka kasi it's 4 in the morning. Hindi pa ako natutulog. Anyway, andito kasi ako sa bukid. Ito. What? Kaya pala sabi, maraming nag-message sa akin sa Instagram and sa TikTok, no? And also on Facebook na, Kuya, i-react mo na kasi it's really bardagulan. Kaya pala, okay. I'm realizing it already. Grabe tong performance ni Rita dito. Grabe! Ah! Akala ko mag-break yung voice niya doon. Grabe! Bro, arguably, I think this is the best. May isa pa eh, may isa pa. Pero I think, in my recent memories, no, I think this is arguably the best performance by Rita Daniela. I'm not saying na hindi magaling yung ibang performances niya. It's still great, it's still impressive, but this one, it sounds so perfect, no? Pitch perfect, no? Yung control niya, yung delivery niya, yung mastering niya sa vocals niya, the techniques that she's doing, hands down. Hands down ako dito kay Rita, man. Who's next? Thea?
It's not simple to say. Most days I don't recognize me.
Bakit para siyang si ano? Rabia Mateo ba yun? Para siyang, para sila ng ano? Dito, face card dito.
These shoes, the sacred, that place, its patrons, taken more than I gave.
Ooh. Gusto ko yung modulation doon. Nice.
Not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know
Come on.
give it all back for a chance to start over.
Lumilipad na.
Write an ending or two for the girl that I knew who be reckless just enough.
Ang seamless nung ano niya, yung pasok niya, yung transition niya, yung modulation niya, yung soft tones, and starting to just gradually opening up for those big vowel sounds. Galing.
Tough it up when she's bruised and gets used by a man who can't love. Then she'll get stuck and be scared of the life that's inside her, growing stronger each day to finally remind her
Woo! I love it. To finally, na, na. Ulitin nga natin yan. That was clean.
that's inside her, growing stronger each day.
Eto.
To finally remind her to fight just a little, to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone but used to be.
Woo! Ma! Okay. I hear you. Parang nasa ano lang, theater, no? Ooh. Pero to be honest, yung bali niya yung sa high notes, yung ginawa niya doon, kinabahan ako ng konti, ha? To be honest. Ooh, let's go. Hannah Priscillas. Let's go.
I'm not a stranger.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Sabi ko na nga ba, yung kakantay niya yung sa Greatest Showman, no? Narinig ko yung ano, yung melody ng ano, ng strings.
They say, 'cause
One of my favorite songs from Greatest Showman ito.
we've learned to be ashamed of all our scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us.
Galing nung voice control talaga. Napaka-fierce no? Tingnan nyo ha. Yung Glorious. Andun eh. Tingnan nyo ha.
We are glorious.
Ayan, no? There's a fire, no? Very fiery. Charot.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, gonna set a fire, gonna drown them out. I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. The power is here I go. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies.
This is me. Oh, oh.
Look out, 'cause here I come. Marching on, marching, marching on.
Really? Wow! Galing naman nun. Grabe. Grabe yung power. Na-combo tayo doon ni, ni Ana. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, Marian.
The less I know, each step I take, Papa, I've a voice now. Each page I turn, Papa, I've a choice now. Each mile I travel only means the more
Para ako nakikinig ng mga Disney, no?
I have to go.
Ah, Broadway. Yung Broadway na style.
What's wrong with wanting more? If you can fly, then soar. With all there is, why settle for just a piece of sky? Papa, I can hear you. Papa, I can see.
Ito ba yung kinanta din ni Julian, Papa, can you hear me? Yung ganun?
Papa, I can feel you. Papa, watch me
What? Binasic, I did not expect that. Ulitin natin. Woo! Tapos bibigyan tayo ng yung pang smile na smirk. Ayan Tingnan niya. Tingnan niya. Ayan Ah. Who's next? Jessica. I feel like Jessica. Last na si Julian.
the end is near, and so I face the final curtain.
Ooh. Ito pang malakasan tong kantang to. My Way ata to no? I Did It My Way.
I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway.
Ooh. Ooh. I love that. Napaka-fragile nun. Pakinggan nyo
Traveled each and every highway.
Isang isang breathing lang yun
Did it my
Grabe. What? Ma. Ito pa. Octave higher. Woo. Bro. Grabe, totoo talaga yung sinabi. Bardagulan nga to. Amazing, napaka-explosive talaga nito ni Jessica. Napaka-explosive na singer. Okay, ito na. The one and only Julianne San Jose. Ayan. Una ko napansin sa kanya, yung ano niya, yung eyelashes. Yung extensions. Nice. No need time. Kinikilig. Proud na proud. Sa
And time can do
so much. So much. Nice. Nice. Ah. Kinabahan ako doon Akala ko talaga ipapaseto niya yon or mix. Parang na full chest niya yun Ulitin nga natin Tingnan. Ayan Me. Chest voice nga. Okay, hindi na ako nasanay na magbe-belt si Miss Julianne ng full chest, no? Yung mga ganon. Kasi parang naging comfortable na siya sa mga mix niya, sa mga headtones niya na ginagawa niya, no? Na parang nasisimplify niya yung ibang mga kanta. It's because of her strong headtones, no? But man, grabe. Nagulat ako. Siya. Woo. Alam nyo bakit bakit ang galing ni Rita at nagagandahan ako sa kanyang boses or sa kanyang the way siya kumanta. It's not just because of her voice but because of her character, no? She is such a character, no? Lalo na kapag ka nagpe-perform, her body language, her gestures, her facial expression, her giggles, her angst, talagang ramdam mo siya, no? Actress nga talaga. Ang galing kasi din niyang actress. Yeah. This My Way. I did. What? What? Seryoso ba to? What? This is so impressive. I think one of their performances na talagang masasabi mo na there is a little bit yung may konting may konting mix ng bardagulan, not konti, but it felt like a showdown. It's vocal showdown but very healthy. Very healthy competition. Man, I love this. One of the best performances ng Queendom of all time. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy that one, and salamat sa mga nag-recommend, and talagang in-encourage ako mag-react dito kasi man, it's really impressive. Actually, kagabi ko pa to hinahanap, but I cannot find this video, and only to find out na kanina pala mga hapon or mga lunchtime, I don't know, but yeah, nakita ko siya mga hapon or evening time. Then nung nakita ko, parang 3 hours ago lang siya na-upload. So yeah, kaya ngayon ko lang siya na-react. So anyway, that's it, and hope you guys enjoy the one. Do follow me on my Facebook, TikTok, and on Instagram, and subscribe kayo, okay? God bless you all. Peace. Bye.